it's Cindy Ferrens, Senior Team Leader and Independent Consultant with Sunset Gourmet. Welcome back to the next video. This one, I'm going to show you how to do a balsamic roast beef. What I've done is actually the three products that we're featuring in this recipe are our oso onion, our oso garlic, and our passion fruit white balsamic vinegar. So the first thing you need is a 3 to 3.5 pound roast. There's only 2 of us at home, so what I've done is I've taken the roast and just divided it in 2 and put half of the roast each in a gallon bag. So if you've got the one, you're just doing it as one roast, you might want to go up the size in Ziploc bags. That's one. You're going to find the recipe super easy. Doesn't take a whole lot of things, and basically I'm just going to add everything into the Ziploc bag and just swoosh it around, and then it's ready to go into the freezer. The first item we're going to add is our oso onion. Just a little helpful tip. I don't know if you're aware, but the lid of our oso onions or any of our seasoning holds roughly 2 tablespoons of seasoning mix. So it makes it easy for measuring. So what I'm going to do is, because I've got 2 bags going here, I'm going to put a tablespoon or half a capful into each bag. Like that. Doesn't have to be exact. That's the nice part about these recipes, is that they are totally adaptable and don't have to be exact. The next item that's going in is our oso garlic. I'm going to put in roughly a teaspoon of that. So I'm going to put a half teaspoon in each bag. And then the next item that's going to go in is our passion fruit white balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add a half a cup. Okay, and I'm just going to put half of that in this bag and half of that in this bag. Okay, then the next ingredient, the recipe calls for smoked paprika. If you can't find smoked paprika, regular paprika is totally fine. So I'm going to put half of that into each bag. And then the last item that's going to go in is 8 ounces of tomato sauce. So I'm just going to put half into each bag. And then this is the technical part. You're just going to seal up the bag and then swoosh the products around, or the ingredients around inside. I don't know, this looks like it's taken a lot of work. It's not. That's the nice part. And the results are amazing when you actually go to cook it. So then the other thing I'm going to do is just open the edge of the bag to get as much of the air out as possible. It'll just save the roast from getting freezer burned, and it also makes it easier to stack them when they go into the freezer. Okay, this one I'm just going to add the last little bit of tomato sauce. Same thing, real technical term, I'm just going to swoosh it up in the bag, mix everything up. And make sure you get the extra air out of the bag. Oops. Okay, smells really yummy. Can't wait till we can make this one. Anyhow, that's all that's there. That roast, when you bring it out, goes great in the crock pot. So just put it on in the morning before you go to work. Let it go on medium, and then just let it cook all day. When you come home, boil up some potatoes, make some mashed potatoes, add some of our oso garlic to it, and have a salad with it, and then you've got a quick meal all ready to go for you. Anyhow, thanks for joining me this time. Stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to talk about grilled marinated steak. Thank you.